Beautiful colonial home on the Mathews/Gloucester Line, so close to going to either county for shopping. This property offers 2.14 acres with plenty of open land for gardening. This home has a large family room, country kitchen, nice dining room, office with own private entrance which could be a first-floor bedroom, and half bath. The first floor also offers a large utility and laundry room and plenty of storage. The second floor offers 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The home has had many upgrades with new windows, carpet, laminated floors, painted throughout, new hot water heater, water softener, new dishwasher, bathrooms have new vanities. The home offers 2-zone heat and air, built-in bookcases, and numerous pantry storage areas. You will love the laundry room where you can just shut the door when not using, and the extra large utility room as you come into the side of the home. There is a very nice carport, 2-car detached garage and a circular driveway. The home shows so well and move-in ready. You wouldn't want to miss this one.